By the way, that needle and thread that you just ended with, okay, so let me not confuse you because we were this way, okay? I just turned it around. And what you can do is you can just weave back through, okay? And ooh, I want to get that a little more tight there, so I'm going to go back up one. Because that looked like he wanted to run away a little bit. Come on, got to be a part of the family here. And then I'm just going to weave back through. Now, I will tell you that with the 11-Os, if you were doing this with the 11-Os, it's a little more challenging to get back through the base. And they're so tiny and tight on the warps that, you know, you don't always really need to double back up on those. But since these are the 8-Os, come on, guys. Oh. Okay, so just gonna do this. It's always nice to have that extra feeling that your piece is, you know, secured. Okay, now, whoopsie, come on. Now on this last row, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the bottom. Okay, so I'm under the warps. And I do that because it really helps to secure that row. Makes it a little more challenging for it to move. In the end, we're going to be sewing these 2 ends together, so I'm not like totally worried about it, but it does kind of give you a little peace of mind. Okay, I'll be right back and we're going to do those 9.